Alright, so I've got my 3 railroad tie halves, 4.5 feet, which is the same width as these plastic cradles for the sauna. Just got 2 holes drilled on this furthest downhill one. So now we're going to tap some rebar in to pin it. Then we'll drill 2 more holes in each of those and tap in some rebar to pin it. And then we'll cut that flush and then be able to mount these cradles on. We got the railroad ties pinned down with the 5/8 rebar. Got everything squared up on the plastic cradles. And we got our drain stave, which goes in the very middle, has those couple holes in it. Got that screwed down, and now we're starting to lay out the staves. So now that we're to the point of assembling it, I think I'm gonna go set up the tripod and see if we can capture a decent time lapse of us doing this.